What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today we have it finally arrived today after a few days waiting, a little delay, whatever. Here it is, the GWM5610 NASA collaboration, the third edition. Let's check it out. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, and here we go. The GWM5610, the NASA collaboration. This is the third of its kind between the collaboration of Casio, GSHOCK, and NASA. This is pretty cool. I love these colors. We'll get started with these. Again, this one was released back in July 14th of 2020, marking the third of its kind collaboration. There was one in 2020, one in 2021, and now this one in 2022. So let's open this baby up. There's a model number for you, the GWM5610 NASA-22 for the year, 4 for orange, also red. 3495 is the module, and I'll talk about that momentarily, how special that actually is to this collaboration. This is my first time actually looking at this watch, so I'll unbox it with you, and we'll check out how beautiful this watch actually is. Took me a while to actually get it. It was released in July 14th. And I just got it, literally just got it in the mail on the 22nd. There was a little bit of a delay. These watches are coming from their warehouse in New Jersey. So the closer you are to Jersey, to New York and those areas over there, the faster it'll get to you. Some people have already received them, with me being delayed because I am in the Midwest, Chicago. Nevertheless, here it is. Here's the box. It's a pretty cool design. It's got this orange colorway. It looks like I don't know if it's a trunk or the design of the actual jumpsuit that the astronauts wear, but it's pretty neat. The model number is on the back, the GWM5610 NASA-22 for the year, -4 for orange and also used for red. 3495 is the module. GWM means that it is solar and atomic. 5610 meaning that it's one of the newer G-SHOCKs using the 3495 module, which is the inner components of the watch. So you're getting a fresh new watch design with new technology, LED lights, but we'll touch on that soon. I'll show you that as we go here. Open this baby up. There's your instruction manual for the 3495 module. Nothing special there, just some instructions on how to use the watch, but it's pretty simple. And then here we're met by this beautiful tin box. It's got the orange design with the blue accents. Also, once again, mimicking that beautiful astronaut jumpsuit. It's got the flag right there, and I'm pretty sure this flag is actually worn on the jumpsuit. I may be making that up altogether, I don't know, but it looks like something that would be stitched on the actual jumpsuit. And it was actually inspired by the international orange jumpsuit worn by NASA astronauts between 1988 and 1994, which is intentional. It was supposed to be orange so that in case the astronauts landed in water, they'll be easier to spot by rescue crews because of the orange jumpsuit. On the top, you got the blue tin can, a lid with the American flag right on top, a G-SHOCK logo. It's pretty neat. I really like the design. I think they went out and designed it pretty well, if you ask me. So here it is. You can see it's fresh in the bag. Haven't opened it quite yet. Take this baby out right there. Here's the tag. You guys can see the tag. GWM5610 NASA. There's your SKU, $170. So after taxes, there was free shipping for I think it was like 4 to 6 days shipping time. It came out to about $181 after taxes. So that tax rate might change depending on where you're located. So you can expedite the shipping though if you really want this much faster. And here's this baby right there. Look at that design. Beautiful orange color. National Aeronautics on the band there. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. Damn, I'm a genius. It's got the American flag right there. You can see, pretty cool. Again, multi-band 6 tough solar model. This is the first of the 3 collaborations that actually has the tough solar multiband 6. The first 2 were standard 5600, nothing special there, which is actually kind of a I'm kind of glad that they actually went with the 5610 that gives you that additional functionality. NASA right there is actually in black lettering, NASA in black, and the black band keeper, black lettering for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. On the back, it's got a cool astronaut on the back. It looks like it's engraved. 3495 module, GWM5610. I love when they do custom engraved back plates. It makes it special for me. One thing I think that they did fail to do, and one thing that I would love to see, is added a nice little backlight there with a design of maybe the Jumpman, the astronaut on the logo. That would have been cool. And I'm sure I could probably customize that myself and do it by myself, but I want to tamper with it. I would have appreciated if they would have done it right out the box. So here's the backlight for you guys to see. There you go. Nothing special there, but a nice LED backlight, which is pretty new with the 5610 module. All right, so once again, this is the third edition of that collaboration. The first edition was released in May of 2020. It was an all-white, non-solar, non-multiband standard 5600 model that was retailed for $130. It was sold by Casio and a few other selected retailers. It wasn't a mass distribution of that, and it was only available in the US, if I'm not mistaken. The second edition was released in April of 2021, and that one included the black bezel and had a retail price of $140. It was a resin bezel. Would have been cool if it had a metal one, but I tried to actually put that on there and it didn't fit. So I think that's why they did it that way, to cut down on prices, and that's why it was retailed for $140. It also was not solar, it also was not multiband, and used a standard 5600. So this is the first one with actual multiband 6 and solar power collaboration with NASA, which is pretty neat. I think that's a great little touch. As of right now, this watch is still available and is still for sale on Casio's website. The link will be in the description of this video. Just be ready to deal with a few technical difficulties. It took me a little bit, took me about a day to actually order mine. I kept trying, getting error messages. I don't know what was going on with the website, but it's still for sale. It's still available online. Just try a few times to actually add it to your cart and then purchase it, and then you'll get a confirmation with your order number, because the website is again experiencing difficulties, and you have to try a few times to actually get the purchase confirmation. Now, based solely on past experiences, this watch was not exclusive to just Casio release. It was actually offered by other small retailers. Not a lot of them, just a few other retailers actually offered the watch for sale. So I wouldn't be surprised that if this watch is actually carried by a few other select retailers. Not that many, it wasn't a mass distribution, and I think it's a USA only release. So it is a beautiful color. I think a great addition with the 5610, the multiband 6 and solar power module. Overall, I'm a fan of the orange. I think this is a great release, and here is an actual official promo video for this watch.
X-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
All right, guys, and there you have it. The GWM5610, the NASA Collaboration 2022 edition. Thank you for watching. Till next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. How do you do it? Peace.
My G-SHOCK, I'm rocking 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 my G-SHOCK.